Go to File on the top, then click on New. Rename the file and select the file size you wanted, then Create. Press Ctrl+R to show the ruler. Right-click on the ruler and select the units you wanted. You can also show or hide the ruler from View panel. Scroll down to Ruler option. Now go to the toolbar and select the Rectangle tool option by pressing Shape tool for 1 second. Create the square shape by holding the Shift button on the keyboard. From the property, enter the required dimension. I have taken 3 inch. Press and hold Shape tool for 1 second to select the Ellipse tool option. Create circle by holding the Shift key. Keep the circle selected. You can change the dimension from the properties. Side of units, there is proportion symbol. Keep it on to resize proportionately. Turn on the Smart Guides from the View menu. Move pointer to the center of the circle and drag it to the corner of the square. Smart Guide will help you to place the circle to the corner. Select both and go to the Pathfinder. And select Divide option. Ungroup it by right-click and select Ungroup. Then delete the outer circle. If you cannot find Pathfinder option, then you can open it from the Window menu. Drag the semicircle to the bottom of rectangle by pressing Alt or Option key. It will copy the semicircle. Or you can just simply copy by pressing Ctrl+C and paste by Ctrl+V. Select semicircle and square both, then by press Alt or Option key click on the square. Square will get highlighted. Then go to Align and click on Horizontal Align Left. Then also Vertical Align Bottom. Select semicircle and go to the Transform dock. Click on the Flip along vertical axis. Select both semicircle and drag it to right side of the square. From the Transform dock, click on Flip along horizontal axis, holding Shift and selecting the square. Then again select the square by holding Alt or Option key and horizontal align right from Align dock. All semicircles should be at the corners touching the square outline. Make the circle again of the same size we made and place it to the center of the square by horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now delete the square. Select all and fill the color you want by double-click on the fill and pick the color. Remove the outline by double-click on the stroke and select None. Select all and group it by pressing Ctrl+G key. At last, go to Object menu, scroll down to Pattern option and click on Make. Click Done to finish. The pattern will appear on the swatches. You can keep or delete the pattern. Make shape you want to fill pattern. Then select the pattern on the swatches panel and it's done. This file has been added in the description. You can download it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.